hello everyone. So happy to be here. Okay. This week is another section. So after last weeks, we have already learned so much about the quadratic function. So maybe you will discover this chapter is so many numerous questions and some scripture. But actually, in the fact that is the formal chapter that the number over the line equation, that is all not so complicated. And another one reason is that I didn't insist on to completely introduce entirely the whole chapter. So that I will just compare the former time is very short, this time is very long. So I just want to make the chapter continuously that people can have a time and a very closed moments that can just have some space to comprehend, entirely understood. So that is better than we just introduce half. And after next time the mathematics is after so many months. So that is a relative comparison. It is very wretched and so basis. I don't like this. So I feel that is good. We continuously accepting these content and these very interesting questions and content in the quadratic function. Okay, so last week I ever say that I want to break out my record that I ever have in my junior high school. The entrance exam of the senior high school. So I am not too exaggeratedly short of. Actually, I am very humble. So many humbleness in my heart, and the modest feeling just feel filled in my body, and I always pray for, and I also bless other students that can be the toppest one. So I just want this time I repeatedly reviewed all the scripture, all the lessons, all the classes. But the difference is that last time that is junior high school, this time is senior high school. The standard is higher, more and more. The challenge is harder, and so many hardship I have encountered, and I must to challenge the difficulties that will defeat my confidence and destroyed my inspiration, is spiritual encouragement. But I don't care, and I don't dare. I don't care how many difficulties will come into me. I don't dare to be bold and to be selfish, elegant. My heart is very peaceful, and I know I will do it. I know I will achieve it, because step by step, every day, I am in the preparation and under all the procedures in the plan. So I believe I can achieve it and complete all the arrangements under the preparation. So the first thing that I just want to share to all the people is that you can see me. You can see me. I have to work. I have a job. I have to recover my illness. But I trust that I can achieve my goal. That is not because I am very super smart. Another reason is why I am very, very hardness in what I am doing now. And not this year. Okay. And the very important thing is that I need the transcript. And maybe I will just to obtain some credits in a Taiwan university, and finally I will apply the university in the United States. So the final aim is to apply the university in the United States. I need the transcript. I don't want to grasp or occupy the seats of the university in Taiwan with all the students in Taiwan. So I have to explain this. I hope people can understand about this. So, okay, so whatever you will wonder, or you will just feel curious, I just want to share this with you all. That is my end, and that is my goal. And I will share with you all, and I hope all of you can achieve and attain the goal as well. So every year, here can be so many tops of the list in the exam. So that is very marvelous. I think if it is the education bureaucracy, the president and all the officials in the government will be very, very happy with it, because the standard of this year's students is become higher and higher. Okay, the formal time we just talk about the quadratic function. the quadratic function. So this time, another quadratic has another formation style. Is that the equal become bigger or smaller? That called unequal equation. So the quadratic function is unequal. So, what is the unequal in the quadratic function? It is the symbolization equal become bigger or smaller. So when it become bigger and smaller, how we can solve it? So we say alpha smaller beta, then the quadratic function becomes thus: x minus a multiply x minus beta. It is smaller and equal than 0. Then the solve is and then the x minus a x minus beta is bigger equal than 0. Then the solve is x smaller equal than alpha or x bigger equal than beta. So when we talk about the concept, when the x minus a multiply x minus b bigger than 0, the meaning is that we demand the range of the x will make the function, the quadratic function, all the y's coordinate axis to be positive. Okay? So because so x minus a, x minus beta bigger than 0. The meaning is to demand the X range will make the quadratic function y equal x minus a x minus beta y coordinate are all positive. Okay, here. Focus on here. You can see this. The function say that x minus alpha, x minus beta. So if every item is equal 0, we all have two solutions that x is equal alpha and equal beta. That is when the item is equal 0. But that is just restrictly defined under when the symbolization is equal. Because it is equal 0, so we can say this term is 0. This term is 0. So we can get x is equal alpha, x equal beta. But now, the symbolization become bigger. So whatever the item is, the multiplies concluding must be bigger than 0. So actually, alpha, beta, we originally is just the alpha and the beta because we want to equal 0. But now that must be bigger than 0. So this function y equal x minus alpha, x minus beta. So that will be the y and the x. So here will be a function just like this. Okay, so all the solution if the x among the alpha and beta, so the solution is just here. And if bigger or smaller than alpha beta, that was here. You can see apart when among alpha and beta, all the y solution is all negative. It's all negative. But if it's smaller than alpha, bigger than beta, the solution is all positive. And the original back to the function. The function must be bigger than 0. So the y must bigger than 0. So that is why we just solve it. When the x minus alpha, x minus beta bigger equal than 0, so the suffix must be x smaller than alpha, x bigger than beta, because the y solution must be bigger than 0. Okay, that is the explanation. Okay, so and y equal x minus alpha, x minus beta, chocked. Is closed. With x-axis 8, alpha 0, beta 0. So that is just like this. Okay, we draw a chart. We draw a chart. So that is become this. So here will be minus, here be positive, positive. Okay. So from the chart, we can know when x smaller alpha or beta smaller x, the y equal x minus alpha, x minus beta will bigger 0. Therefore, x minus alpha, x minus beta bigger 0. The solution is x smaller alpha or x bigger beta. Okay, this section when the function is unequal. We are going to discuss. So let's do some question about this section. Okay, so solve the following unequal equation. You can see all of this. The first step is make all the function become two-term multiply. To analyze it. So the first one, x squared minus 5x plus 6. That is 1132 in the minor. So will become x minus 3, x minus 2. Smaller than 0. Therefore, the x is among 3 and 2. Enter the 2. The x squared minus 3x minus 10 bigger equal than 0. So here is 1, 1, here is 5, 2. We have become this one because that will make this coefficient become -3. So here is x minus 5, x plus 2 bigger equal than 0. Therefore, the x is bigger than 5 or x smaller than equals smaller than -2. Enter the 3. -3x squared plus 2x plus 7 smaller than 0. Okay, this one we just separate it into 1, 3 and save 1. And here is let me see. Here's here is okay, we make this like this. 3x squared plus 2x minus 7 bigger than 0. When you discover the A is negative, you want to make it easier to solve. Make it positive. You not only to turn the negative and positive in every item. Finally, the smaller must become bigger. It's just like all the term move to the right side and the 0 move to the left side. So we can just become this 3, 7. So that will become become here. So therefore, so the x plus 7, 3x minus 1 bigger than equal. Therefore, x smaller than negative 7 or x bigger than 1 of 3. Okay, today is just the beginning. We do some very simple exercise to practice, make you understand the concept in the theory. So we don't do very hard equation today. Okay, the main thought today we do is to realize, understand all the concept in the theory. So we do some question to understand more, to just in it, and then you discover how it come. So it is today's video. I hope you can have a wonderful time with me. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.